So it's been about a year since the MagSafe battery pack release, and despite some initial frustrations for people using an iPhone 11 or older, this charging device works perfectly with the iPhone 14. Now, for those of you that don't know, the MagSafe battery pack is a direct successor to the smart battery case for iPhones, and it takes advantage of the MagSafe accessory system found in iPhone 12 and later to charge with minimal user interaction. Now, back when the MagSafe battery pack was first announced, I was actually pretty excited by the prospect because up until then, all we had were those smart battery cases, which were a huge chore to take on and off your iPhone. Now, if you've never tried one of those, I would recommend staying far, far away because they're awful. Now, however, anybody considering spending $99 on this battery, ought to keep one important fact in mind. Even Apple cannot break the law of physics. It's just as bound by the same rules of magnetism and electrons as everybody else. Now, those laws have some trade-offs. A battery that could fully charge most iPhone 14 models would be big. A small battery that looks a little bit odd still gives it enough juice. Once again, Apple cannot defeat the law of physics. Now, Apple did find a balance between those extremes as it maintains that balance with tight software integration that aggressively manages how this battery charges your phone. The result is a gadget that singularly focuses on the iPhone, sometimes on its own detriment. But the best part about the MagSafe battery pack is that it also serves as a fast wireless MagSafe puck when it's plugged in. So really the big question here that you guys are probably wondering, first of all, it does work with the iPhone 14, but is it worth the price compared to some of the other competition? Now, I would have to say it definitely is. Despite being a bit pricey and only coming in one color, white, which is kind of annoying. I wish they would have added some more at this point. This is still a great little charger that you can attach to your iPhone 14 at any time of the day for some extra juice. Of course, if you guys would like to check out more detailed specs and pricing for this accessory, we'll have some links below in the description. Thanks for watching this, guys, and we'll see y'all in the next video.